Greetings. Oh, this is how we prepare our amabele sorghum here in South Africa. The healthiest breakfast you will ever have. So firstly, you boil your water and then you put it on the stove. When you put it on the stove, and then I love putting my amabele on a cold water and mix it on the side first before anything else. And then after that's how you just pour it on a hot water and stir it like this. Used to do this back home, back in the mountains in the village of Limpopo. When you wake up, you just hear this scent, this smell, be like, it's a breakfast time. The healthiest breakfast of them all. It's healthier than all this fancy breakfast we're having here in the city. So you just continue stirring like that, and you'll be like continuing to be that. So this sorghum plants it's an annual. It grows in a tropical climate. So it is growing like up to 4 meters. It is best used for cancer and a lot of chronic diseases, because most of the people who take chronic medication is like they are given this. So it's original from here in Africa. You can find it in Australia as well. So it is effective like for anemia, cancer, high cholesterol, malaria, blood cancer, heart disease. So when it gets here, it shows you like, okay, it is getting there. If it's starting pop like this, even if you are having stomach ache, kidney disease, lung cancer, dyspnea, even for pregnancy, if you are a pregnant woman, that this is just going to help you. You won't be having